The clock by the bed is ticking too loud in the quiet night. I lie in the darkness thinking I must go before it's light. Before you open up your eyes and you beg me to stay, I'll leave 'cause I can't stand to see you hurt this way. Sleep, my love, as I kiss you goodbye, and I won't hear the sound of your cry. I know the time has come for us to end somehow. I couldn't bear to tell you exactly when or how. I know we can't go on, but it was wrong to start. 'Cause if you wake up crying now, you know you break my heart. Sleep as I kiss you goodbye, and I won't hear the sound of your cry. Sleep as I kiss you goodbye, and I won't hear the sound of your cry.